Hi, I'm Tracy with Ryan Homes, and I want to introduce you to Regency North, an active adult, 55 or better community in Fredericksburg with amenities and a prime location off of Route 3 near Central Park, I-95, and downtown Fredericksburg. Follow me for a quick tour of the community and a sneak peek at our model home. At Regency North, you can own your forever home with our most popular upgrades included. Our single-family homes feature bright open floor plans with large living spaces, a gourmet kitchen with granite countertops, center island, stainless steel appliances, and an ensuite owner's bedroom and 2 additional bedrooms on the main level. Plus, all homes have a 2-car garage and an unfinished basement for you to finish later or to use for additional storage. If low-maintenance living and staying active is important to you, you'll love Regency North. Lawn care and landscaping service is included, so you can spend more time doing the things you love. The community will welcome future amenities such as a clubhouse, outdoor pool, pickleball court, and walking trails soon. Regency North is in the ideal Fredericksburg location close to everything the area has to offer. Giant Food, Home Depot, Sonic, and Starbucks are less than 2 miles away.
I liked the not really country, but it's not city. So it's like a mix of both. So you have the country kind of life and you have the trees and that, but you then also have all the flexibility of like the city from the shopping and all the things that you have around.
And it's the best of both worlds, I guess. Yeah. So if you're a person who's interested in the hustle and bustle, you're just miles away from it if that's what you would like. As I said, it's a college town, so there's a lot of activity here. Still in the quietness of everything, still a lot of activity.
Central Park and Spotsylvania Town Center is less than 5 miles away, with Wegmans, Target, Costco, Dick's Sporting Goods, and a variety of shops and restaurants. You can also peruse the historic streets of downtown Fredericksburg and hit the shops and local favorite restaurants and bars less than 10 minutes away. Plus, when you're so close to I-95, you can easily head into Northern Virginia, DC, or Richmond for the day. Are you ready to schedule your private appointment? Don't miss the very best selection at Regency North. Schedule a visit today. We can't wait to welcome you home.